Hey guys, today I just want to do a quick review on this Central Pneumatic or Harbor Freight 3/8" auto connect coupler kit. It is item number 68187, as you can see right there. So I stumbled upon these at Harbor Freight as I was updating to air tools, pneumatic tools, and what these actually allow for is it allows your regular 1/4" hose connecting ends, but then it uses 3/8" plugs, so it gives you a greater flow of air into your power tools, your air tools, to give you better usage and more power. Problem with these, as a lot of reviews say too, is it's hard to find just the plug. You actually have to buy the kits if you're lucky. I went to 3 Harbor Freights in my area. Last one on the shelf. I believe Harbor Freight, as of this video, is updating the branding of their air fittings, so I can't even find these anymore. What I was able to do though is I visited a Home Depot and I found the similar kit, so the same coupler and plugs, but came with 2 adapters. It is SKU number 412721. So same thing, Harbor Husky, a little bit more expensive. But then a lot of research too, I stumbled upon these. The Milton P Style, so S1809 for the 2-pack. And these Harbor Freight and Husky, I believe, are knockoffs of the actual Milton style P Style plugs. So it's again same thing, 1/4" fittings, and then the 3/8" plug. And on here you can see the actual difference of the actual airflow. So you can see that the openings are so much greater, so it allows for greater air to come into your air tools. So hopefully this helps some of you guys out if you guys are like me and out trying to find or hunt down just the plugs, because you don't really care to have multiple couplers over and over. So you can hunt these down. Milton S1809 for the 2-pack, the P-style plugs. Thanks guys.